Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use custom HTML and JavaScript in Kajabi. This is incredibly useful if you want to add interactive elements, custom styling, or unique functionality to your blog posts that goes beyond Kajabi's standard editor options. First, open your web browser and navigate to kajabi.com. Once you're there, click the login button and sign in using your credentials. If you're new to Kajabi and don't have an account yet, simply click Get Started to create one. This will give you access to all of Kajabi's course creation and website building tools. After logging in, look at the left navigation panel where you'll find various options for managing your site. Click on Website, which will expand to reveal additional menu items. From this expanded menu, select Blog. This takes you to the area where you manage all your blog content, which is perfect for sharing updates, course materials, or any content that complements your offerings. You'll now be on the blog page where all your posts are listed. To start creating a new blog post, where we'll insert custom code, click the plus new blog post button located in the middle of your screen. This opens up the blog post editor, which is where the magic happens. Now, before we add any code, let's get a sample to work with. Open a new browser tab and head over to chatgpt.com. In the ChatGPT prompt field, type create a simple HTML code that I can use for Kajabi blog post and let it generate something for you. This gives you a working example to test with, and you can always replace it with your own custom code later. Once ChatGPT provides the code, copy it, then head back to your Kajabi blog post page. Look at the editor screen under the content area and locate the source code icon. It typically looks like angle brackets or says source. Click on it and a new window will pop up. This is your HTML editor where you can paste raw code directly. Paste the copied HTML code from ChatGPT into this window, then click OK. Finally, click Save in the top right corner to preserve your changes. Your custom HTML is now embedded in your Kajabi blog post, ready to display whatever functionality or design you've added. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.